Welcome to our guide on creating a new SMS template. We'll walk you through the steps to efficiently set up your SMS campaigns, ensuring you reach your audience effectively and achieve your marketing goals. To begin, navigate to the Campaigns tab and click on the SMS tab to access the SMS template options for your marketing needs. Next, click on Add New SMS Template in the Campaigns tab. This will open the interface where you can start setting up your new SMS campaign. In the Campaign Setup interface, locate the Campaign Goal field. Enter your specific campaign goals here to ensure your SMS template aligns with your marketing objectives. Proceed by clicking on the SMS text field. Here, you can enter the content of your SMS message, crafting a compelling text to engage your audience effectively. Alternatively, you can automatically generate content for your SMS template by clicking the Generate Using AI button after adding the campaign goal. After entering your SMS content, ensure all details are correct. Click Save to store your settings, finalizing the creation of your new SMS template. Review your SMS template to confirm it meets your campaign goals. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize your message for maximum impact and engagement with your audience.